Okay, so your site has been done here in your greedyfortune.com domain. So what I am telling that if you look at this post, the Santa post, you can see it from the homepage. This image, this is coming like this. But you want something like which I already have in the Viral King. I have divided the page like in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how I am doing that? Now I am telling you one thing that this is a one single post, and you so this is a single long post which you have to divide in seven short page section like this. So click on edit post here. Now you can do various things here, like you can combine these two sections as one page, these two section and one page, like that. I think you might be get confused here, so let me show you how I am doing this. Okay, so this is the code, remember this one. So I have clicked on the edit post here. Okay, now you can see it here, right? Now go to the text section. Now this is the one, this is the two, right? So let's say I am putting the next page thing after every two posts here. So I am putting it here, I am putting it 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 5, 6, 7 here, like this. Okay, so go to the visual of this part. Now you can see that 1, 2 page break, 3, 4 page break, 5, 6 page break, 7. That's all. Now I will talk about the ad part after this, but I am showing you that how you can divide a post like this long to many multiple small page breaks, like to maximize the click of the ads, right? Let's click update here. So this is the code. I will be pasting this code into the section of our active collab, so you can copy this part. Now I am refreshing this page. Look at here, 1, 2. Okay, now you can see the long post has been divided into pages, like small pages, and it will maximize the ad clicks if you put the ads here and up side and the downside here. And you can also make it the page break here also. It is easy to do so. Just put the page break in there, like put the page break in anywhere you want to get. Now if you can refresh this page, you will see. Now you can see this image one is coming here because I have added an additional page break here right now in front of your eyes. Two, and after that it will be coming like two like that because it was early there. So you can do it right, because it is pretty easy. For the 25 you have to paste the same code 25 times wherever you want the page break to come. It is easy to do so. So I'm keeping this post. I will also paste in this link to the active collab so that you can check this link and do the other post. Now I'll be making another video for the ad part, how you can put the ads. So I don't expect you to put ad in every page every time. So there is a module inside this module. If you go to the WP admin, the dashboard of this website, head to the WP cards on the left down side. Here you will find this thing, like you have to put what happens exactly, like when you open the site you have to put the ad in every pages. So it is not impossible thing because we are going to create many pages, and it will be like it is the ad will mess, like a ad will mess with another ads. So this is very much organized, like assign an ad to the beginning of a post. First you have to put your AdSense codes here. Sir, I think I better show you that what I have done in my Viral King. Okay, so you can compare what you have to do in your case. So this is the Viral King site. I am going to the double P quad section of my Viral King. No. I do not do it. This, okay, leave it. So look, I have chosen three kind of ads here. Okay, because in the Google AdSense you have only right to choose only three ads to put in the website. You cannot do not use more ads than that. And for the Takula link or the links of the other post related post, you can put it like here, that you will be given code from the tabula and other stuff, and you can use it like an ad, because this section will be showing after that parts. So where this ad one is going, assign an one inside the grid. Visibility, I have chosen it like that. Assign the ad to before the content theme area. Okay, I have done like this. Look at here. This is the ad settings. Just have a look on it. If you have any problem, just tell me that you are having any problem on that part. I'll do that. And go to the widget section. Let me show you the widget section of your website. It is same, because I have used the same thing. Let go here. Look here, single post. Our pix is already the Vimber thing. Like, put the link. Okay, it will be working here. It is changeable. Everything is changeable here. Just change the stuff, and it is ready to go. Okay. So that's all. If you have any problem, just to tell me. First, you have to create your own Google AdSense account. I think you have already have your AdSense account. So play with this section, and your ads will be automatically coming up. Put your three ads here, and put your three ads here, and play with that ads. Okay. That's all. For thank you for watching this video. Thank you for choosing me.